Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the monkeypox is the new hot topic in the news everywhere you would be seeing because India also has reported cases now, and so the WHO has even declared it as a uh, global emergency. So we need to discuss this in your exam point of view and also for your personal safety. Just like we discussed COVID 2 years back, now we have to discuss on monkeypox virus also. So whether it has vaccine and all the details, whatever is needed for your exam and for your knowledge sake, I'll be giving. So please, next 10 minutes maybe, pay attention. Okay. So WHO declares monkeypox as a global emergency. So what is a global emergency? Who decides that? And all those things we'll discuss in detail. Okay, Tedros, who is the chief of WHO, so he has told it's a public health emergency of international concern. Okay, that is PHEIC. It's a designation which is given by the WHO body. So there, even the members who take part in deciding this, there was a lack of consensus. Everybody was not agreeing to it, but the chief Tedros has finally told that it is mandatory that we declare it as a global emergency. So what is global emergency? I'll tell you. So it's the first time a leader of UN Health Agency has made such a decision. Like meaning he himself has decided that we have to go forward with this declaration. Okay, because the number of cases across the globe is now I think 16,000 plus as we talk now, and in 75 countries it is spread. Okay, usually it used to be in this African countries in the Western Africa, and so after the COVID time I think some party or something happened in Europe, so one person traveled to here, and from here at this party many people were there from different countries, and they all took back the virus to their respective countries. Okay, recently in India also, today, including today, 4 cases have come. That is why I'm making this video. So 3 was in Kerala and 1 is in Delhi. So those details I'll show you in the upcoming slides, but you have to know that it is spreading. Okay, so it has to be taken seriously because this is more painful and even death causing compared to COVID. Okay, and can remind you of the smallpox disease which used to exist in the up till 80s. Okay, so as I told, countries and all this, Chennai airport, they are doing the screening of people now, so it's good that these kind of things are done. So here the country from where they're coming, all these things. Okay, the risk countries are listed here. Okay, so India also will be slowly getting mentioned here if the things goes in this way. Okay, this is a latest photo, July 16th 2022. Okay, so before going forward, I'll ask you a question also because students ask like include MCQs in all your videos. So this is a UPSC 2021 question with reference to recent developments regarding the recombinant vector vaccines. Consider the following statements. Okay, so 2 statements are there. Genetic engineering is applied in the development of these vaccines, and bacteria and viruses are used as vectors. Okay, this is about the recombinant vector vaccine UPSC asked in 2021. Okay, for which the answer key is out now. So you have to go and find out the answer. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. Okay, now in this video I'm not telling you the answer because I already have a different playlist where I do a previous year MCQs with detailed explanation. So 2020 to 2016, 5 years, it's already there. 2021 already I started a playlist where the first 10 MCQs were done. Remaining 90 also will be done in the coming weeks. Okay, so if you know the answer, tell in comment section and even explanation you want to give, so that others also will be learning, especially the new aspirants of 2023. They will not be used to such questions, so you being a veteran student, you have to help them. So tell in comment section what is the answer and what is the reason for the answer. Okay, so recombinant vector vaccine, and like this questions can come. Okay, so UPSC is asking detailed question about medicine, science, vaccines and all. Okay, so this is the question. And also please subscribe if you are a member of this Vysh initiative, where we are trying to give free education completely on this platform. And other than that, we have paid test series also, but in YouTube everything is completely free. Okay, and every subject I'll try to do it for free. So please hit subscribe. Only with your support I can take it forward. Okay, so subscribe, and email and Instagram, everywhere I am in touch with you. So please stay in touch. Okay, and this is a WhatsApp number where you should definitely be there. Okay, in case you are a serious aspirant. So these are the different again IDs I have given. Just see to it that you realize why you are failing in prelims again and again, and what you should do now, what was the strategy which went wrong. Everything I will tell you on the day one when you come to me. So please WhatsApp me. Okay, that's the best way to get started. Okay, so now if you see, India confirms first case of monkeypox in WHO Southeast Asian region. Okay, because you should know Southeast Asia is a region where we have the India, Indonesia, Thailand, all these places. So now India was the one who first confirmed it, the first case in Kerala, and then after that I think Thailand also has come to this list. Okay, in WHO East Asia region. Now other countries like Korea, China, Indonesia, you will I think cases will come. Okay, because wherever tropical forests are there, these animals are there, and it can spread it. So I'll tell you all those things, how it spread and what animals cause it and all. So this is the reason we are discussing Delhi's first monkeypox case. A 31-year-old man who has no foreign travel history, he has got this. Okay, only thing known about him is I think he went for a party in Manali or something. So that is the only travel he has done in the recent days. So fourth monkeypox case in India, 3 being in Kerala. Okay, and 2 being in the same district of Kerala, I believe. So here a 34-year-old monkeypox patient in Delhi is the fourth case of this zoonotic disease, meaning spread from animals to humans. So he is being diagnosed, and it was sent. The sample was sent, and it's confirmed that it is again monkeypox. So here, if you see, he had went to a party in Manali, in Himachal. That is the party he has attended, and that is the outgoing travel history of him. So whoever is in touch with him and whoever were there at that party, all these are being tracked, and hopefully it will not spread like how the COVID was spreading. Okay. So even the CM has told like situation is in control. And now if you see vaccines, it's like not like Indian made monkeypox vaccines are there. We have the smallpox vaccines which used to exist till before the 80s. So that is the one which is being given to the patients. Okay, I'll tell you about the monkeypox vaccine also, which is made by USA and European countries and all. But as of now in India, I think the smallpox vaccine is given, and that is around 85% efficacy is there. Okay, it's working for people, and they are recovering in 2 weeks, 4 weeks time. They are being like stable and recovering. Okay, so that is a good thing, but it leaves a lot of rashes on your body, and it's like high fever and a lot of pain you have to go through. So that is why you have to be careful. Okay, so monkeypox, obviously from the monkeys it's coming, but other than that, other rodents or squirrels or rats, all these animals also can be the one which is holding this virus. Okay, like Nipah, we told the bats and other mammals are holding it. This thing is like held by this thing. Okay, these rodents and squirrels and monkeys. So this is the one in tropical forest you find. So especially our Southeast Asian region of the world is very much susceptible to this particular disease. Okay, so as I told, it's a zoonosis kind of disease which is transmitted from infected animals to humans, and from human to human also can go. That also I'll tell you in the upcoming slides. So that is WHO declares rapidly spreading monkeypox outbreak as a global health emergency. Okay, so this rare designation, which earlier also 5-6 times it has been declared, I'll tell you that diseases also. So the outbreak is significant and a threat to global health, because we need an international response now. Whenever we need international response, we need multiple countries to share their opinion, then work together. That is when we declare this as a emergency. Okay, so last time it was during the COVID-19 in the January 2020 that last time emergency was declared. Okay, and Europe is the epicenter of this new outbreak. And this sexual relationship, okay, human body fluids when contact with each other, that is the highest risk in this disease. Okay, so especially now it's not only the male and female, it's the men versus men relation, sexual relation, whatever you have, that can be the highest risk, because the most of the diseases which are spotted who attended the party, all these things, okay, in Europe were men. So that is why they are at higher risk as per the WHO. Okay, so the global risk is moderate, but the threat is high in Europe. Okay, whenever disease comes, it's like spreading like anything in Europe. Okay, because the way they interact with each other, and the carelessness in using mask and all these things, and their partying culture, all this is the reason Europe, even COVID time, they were like Italy, everything was shutting down, all the countries had to shut down. So mostly in Europe you will see a major lockdown coming up. Hopefully in India we will not have to suffer that like COVID. Okay, as of now, international trade, nothing trade and travel, nothing is stopped. Okay, everything is going as per this thing. The flights will be running, everything is fine as of now. Okay, but we can't predict what things can go, because the graph, if you see, from May 2022 to July 2022, it's like exponentially increasing. Around 70% hike of cases is there. Okay, especially if you see Spain, UK, Germany, USA, these are the same places where COVID also was spreading at that time at a rapid pace, and many were dying. Okay, so they have the vaccines. There's costly vaccines they have, USA. So that and all I'll tell you in the upcoming slides. So people are tweeting it, and that is the reason WHO had to take a decision like that yesterday. So what is exactly this PHEIC which we tell? It is this public health emergency, as I told. The guidelines for this is first implemented in 2005, and only 6 times they have done. Okay, so what are the 6 times we'll see? One was the COVID time, it was there, and then the swine flu was there in 2019, and Zika virus was there in 2016. So all the diseases and all still exist now, but the severity in which it was spreading those times, because of that reason they had to declare it. Okay, so these are the 3 diseases. Then the 3 more are there. 2 times it's Ebola only, but Ebola in different parts of Africa. One is the West Africa, which I showed you in map, and one is in the center, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, that is where exactly the first time monkeypox came also. So there Ebola 2 times has been a emergency declaration. And then polio, in India and all, it's not there, but countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Syria, Cameroon, these people and all, still cases are there. Okay, those people actually doesn't take the vaccine when it was given at the childhood. They are against these vaccination concept and all, so they are still having these kind of diseases which entire world has already eradicated. Okay, so that's a sad thing. So 6 times this has been declared in the past, and now we have to wait and see how monkeypox will take its turn. So the technical name of the virus family, you can call it, is like this orthopox virus. Okay, for the monkeypox, and which also includes the same variola virus which is causing the smallpox. Okay, so it's all same family. This thing is included in the same family only, orthopox and variola. So this is now causing the fear among people. And about the vaccination also, I'll tell you in the upcoming slides. But before that, you should know monkeypox is not a new thing. Okay, maybe people who don't know current affairs, people who don't know basic things may think like it's something new which suddenly came like COVID. It's not like that. This is like existing since 1958. Okay, when Denmark, I think some scientists were researching on a captivate monkey, meaning what they caught for research. In that itself, they had saw this virus, monkeypox virus. Later, in a human case, they for first time saw in 1970. That is there of that time, which is now Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, where now the Ebola also I told you. So this is the human case for the very first time. Okay, so you don't think it's something new, but for the world it's new. Okay, out of Africa it is coming for the first time. So as I told, a small same family as the smallpox, and it is causing diseases. Now even latest news is that even 2 children in Europe has got it. So that is why it is a problem. Okay, so now there are tools, and there are certain things for smallpox guidelines they have. For monkeypox also they need to define such guidelines, else it will cause a lot of human to human transmission. Okay, because the international community that time when it was in Africa, we know they don't invest much, they don't try to solve it. Okay, when the COVID was like from China, and then China pushed in trillions of dollars, and then WHO was like favoring them, and you try to shut it down completely. Okay, you put all the resources, you put all the countries to work, but when Africa things were going on, they did not do all those things. That is why now when it came out of Africa, we are not able to control. Okay, so this animal to human was going on, now human to human is also going on. And as I told, this because we, even me, like I think 5 times now told came from Africa, we are going on telling this. So to avoid that discrimination, WHO also decided to rename this monkeypox virus to a new name. Okay, they have not got any fixed name now. As of now, in certain records they are using HMPVX as the name. Okay, human monkeypox virus. And then versions when it comes like 1.2, 2.2, same like COVID, they will start naming. Okay, so that this discrimination, stigmatization, all those will be avoided. Okay, against African people or against any using any animal name directly and all, so that they can not focus on particular country, consider it as a global thing like COVID. Okay, so again, as I told, there's a gay and bisexual men, they are at the highest risk. So skin to skin contact whenever it comes, that is where there's the highest risk. Okay, so there are different scientists telling different things from countries like Spain and Italy and all. So some tell like it cannot happen like that, it can only happen through other some means. So saliva samples are taken, semen samples are taken. So different things are going on. So you don't have to study anything by heart here and all, but as a current affair I'm just telling you. Okay, and see, like this skin opening, skin lesions, skin something is there, that is the highest chance. Like if a person's skin rub against other person's skin, or maybe the same towels or same bed sheet, all these things when you use, that is when it spreads. Okay, so again, so minimizing multiple partners sexual relationship and all those things, where like minimal clothing is there, there's rave parties and sex parties, and that is where it has a high chance of spreading. And symptoms, if you see, like initially a flu, fever, headache, muscle ache. I'll show a picture also of this at the last table kind of thing. But this newest cases is happening, it's seen that some people don't have any fever and any other issues, but directly they are having the skin rashes also. So can't tell, okay, like exactly that you will get a first day fever and then second day this thing and all. It can vary from person to person. Okay, so that is about the symptoms. Now again, as I told, the bed sheets and the things which to use, then when you touch somewhere, especially through like foreign country travel and all, if you go through airport and you are like somehow the respiratory droplets or any bodily fluid, okay, is in contact and you touch that place, or that is how you will get it. So please use the same things like the mask and the sanitization. This is where you can do, and keep distance from people, because a prolonged face-to-face interaction only can cause it. It's not like COVID, like airborne, it will spread. So see to it that you are having distance, when especially when you are in public places. And whenever the vaccine is ready and it is available for you, you should take it also. Okay, so I'll tell you 2-3 vaccine names also, which again, it's not in India, it is in USA, Canada and all, and they are in short of vaccines also, because they didn't think that they will need this much. So when Biden administration is there, now they are distributing a lot of this. This is the name, this Genos. Okay, this is the name of the vaccine which is available. So 3 lakh doses, 7,86,000 doses, these many doses are being spread and given, okay, to most of the people. Okay, 2-dose vaccine it is, and it is being given. And I think there are other injections and medicines also, but in India, as I told, they have to act fast and have all these things available. Okay, so monkeypox, as I told, again from rodents, animals, bites, scratches, then the meat of them, then human transmission is possible again through the droplets if you are in a close contact. So these kind of things, and this is the kind of symptoms you will get. Okay, rashes and muscle ache and everything which you get for a fever, everything you will get. Okay. So this one, if you see, this again, this are technical details. If you want, you can pause and read. Denmark company is the one which produces this Geneos vaccine. Another which US has is this Acam 2000. Okay, only difference is that I think Geneos is better one, and this one has some because it multiplies the virus. Because you know how is the vaccine made? Vaccine is made using the virus only. So that virus has a chance of replicating itself in your body when it's working. So maybe that time when you're in contact with someone, maybe that will spread to that a person who has no problem now and cause a disease in him. Okay, so that also in one of the article I read. Okay, this ACAM 2000 is a mild virus strain, but after that, as I told, it will replicate, and so you have to see to that you do not give the virus to others. Okay, and then the rash which you have, that not should touch the other person. Okay, because you, even though you are vaccinated, there is a chance that you can give it to other person. So the other one, Genios, is a safer one. Okay, and as I told, in India, anyways, smallpox vaccines are being given, and hopefully we all will not need it. Okay, it will not spread too much, and we will not need it. Okay, and about COVID vaccines also, they are telling the incubation time, everything has a difference. So don't think it is similar. Okay, there is a difference in the timeline, the dates, the gap between vaccines, everything is different. Okay, so finally I will tell, stay safe. And how can you prevent it? As I told, the rodents and animals and pets and all, whatever you have, see to it that they are not in touch with all these creatures. Okay, like even if it's a home dog or whatever, it should not be in touch with the squirrels or whatever is there in your area. Then monkeys, then travel when you do, monkeys are there all over. So that kind of things, be careful. Okay, so mask, sanitization, all these things I have to tell. So one more final slide I'll show you, where the WHO guidelines is there, what they're telling: avoid skin to skin contact, this sexual relationship, be careful, then wash hands, and then cough and sneeze properly without seeing that the droplets are reaching the other person. And then smallpox vaccine is protecting, as I told, 85 percentage efficacy. Okay, so this overall, whatever information I could give you, okay, that and all I have given, the discrimination of the name, the disease, the spread, the vaccine available, what is going on in India. Hopefully we won't have to see a lot of cases, but the existing 4 cases which is there in India now, we have to track the people who they were in touch with. Okay, how they went to the party, who they all interacted with, who are there at their home. So this and all will be hopefully done, and we will see better news in the coming days. Okay, so if you are 2023 student, see to it that you are in my WhatsApp. That is the first thing. If you are enrolling test series or not, secondary thing. Again, test series is closed as of now, batch 1, because we got more than students. Okay, the count more than what we wanted. So again, because some people told we need time, we need to join later, August mid I want to start. So I am launching a new batch, which hopefully by tomorrow I'll be announcing. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.